Hello everyone! So, today gagawa tayo ng custard cake. So, I will try to make 3 different flavors. So, dito na yung gagamit ako ngayon ng tatlong 6-inch pans. Let's start. So, gawin muna natin yung caramel. Tutunaw lang tayo ng sugar. So, I'll use 1, 2, 3 tablespoons ng white sugar. This is for 6-inch pan. So, depende sa laki ng pan nyo or depende rin sa preference nyo kung gaano karaming sugar yung ilalagay nyo. Okay, so tapos ko nang tunawin yung sugar natin dun sa mga baking pan. So, what we want to achieve is itong light golden yellow na color. And then, syempre, kailangan fully dissolved yung sugar and completely covered yung bottom ng pan natin. Okay? So, beware not to burn the sugar kasi papait. Mine took about like 5 minutes per pan. So, sabi natin mga within the 3-minute mark, watch out na. Kailangan bantayan natin para hindi masunog. Okay. Para dun sa leche flan natin, gagamit tayo ng 6 eggs, half a can of sweetened condensed milk, and then 1 can ng evaporated milk. So, paghalu-haluin lang natin silang lahat dito sa isang malaking bowl. Okay, so once everything is well combined, we'll set it aside and then we'll proceed to make our chiffon cake. Okay, so now we can make the chiffon. So for that, we need 4 eggs. So pinaghiwalay natin yung egg whites and egg yolks. We'll need this for later, so we'll set it aside. So dito sa egg whites natin, maglalagay tayo ng half a teaspoon ng cream of tartar. Okay, so lagyan natin dyan. And then, kailangan lang natin itong i-beat until stiff peaks. So, let's start slow. Okay, increase natin yung speed gradually. So, kapag frothy na yung egg whites natin, we can start gradually adding our sugar. So, meron akong 1/4 cup ng sugar. Okay? So, continue lang natin yung pag-mix. Mabagal lang. And then, add the sugar. Unti-unti lang. Okay. So, na-add na natin lahat ng sugar. Increase natin yung speed. Okay, so let's check if stiff peaks na tong egg whites natin. Wala nang i-stiff. Stiff peaks na talaga siya. Okay. So, yung texture niya, as you can see, zoom ka. Yan. Very smooth. Walang malalaking air bubbles. So, the best description I can give it is parang melted marshmallows. Okay? Okay, so sa isang separate na bowl, lagay natin yung 4 natin na egg yolks. And then, 1/4 cup na sugar. Uh, 60 ml na oil. Lagay tayo ng 60 ml na milk. Okay. Konting vanilla extract. And then, aluhin lang natin to. Until well combined lang yung milk, oil, eggs, and sugar natin. Lagyan natin yung dry ingredients natin. So, I have 1 cup of cake flour. And then, maglagay tayo ng 1.5 teaspoons ng baking powder. 1 teaspoon. And then, half a teaspoon baking powder. And then, also half a teaspoon ng salt. Yan. And then, okay, so once na-sip na natin, we can combine everything into one smooth mixture. Okay. So, once mawala na yung traces ng flour, stop mixing. And then, i-combine na natin yung egg whites dito sa egg yolk mixture in 3 additions. Okay. Okay, so let's combine our first addition of egg whites dito sa ating egg yolk mixture. Walang tayo ng konti. Okay, so once our first addition is well combined, let's put more. Second addition natin ng egg whites. Okay. So, fold lang natin siya dyan. And then, yung final addition natin ng egg whites, lagay na natin. Kailangan medyo level up tayo. So, tatry ko ngayon gumawa ng 3 flavors. So, okay. Para dun sa coffee flavor ng custard cake, meron lang ako dito isang pack ng 3-in-1 coffee mix. So, yung isang pack na ginamit ko ay 24 grams. Okay? So, i-divide lang natin yung mixture na ito into 3. So, I have 3 separate bowls. Okay, so itong isa may cocoa powder. And then, dito sa isa, gagamit ako ng pandan flavor. And also, food coloring. Kasi walang kulay yung flavoring na gagamitin ko. So, let's add the instant coffee on this bowl. lang natin yung... Okay. Sa next bowl ay cocoa powder. Isisift ko lang siya ng konti. So, naglagay ako ng 1/4 cup. I am not sure if that's enough or baka sobra. Okay? So, we'll see. We'll see kapag naluto. Okay. And then, let's mix it well. That's done. And then, for this one, I will put half a teaspoon na lang muna ng pandan flavoring. Because, first time ko to gagamitin, so I'm not sure like how potent the flavoring is. So, 1 teaspoon. And then, sa food coloring, kayo nang bahala. So, nako, hindi ko alam kung ilang drops yun. Okay. Parang kulang pa yung food coloring. Kasi actually, magla-lighten pa to. So, siguro mga naka 10 drops na ako. Let's put more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so ready na yung tatlong flavors natin. Pandan, chocolate, and coffee. Okay, so salain muna natin yung custard natin bago natin ilagay dito sa prepared pans natin. Okay, so once na-fill na natin lahat ng flan mixture, pwede natin ilagay yung chiffon mixture natin. And then, itong chocolate. Tcharan! Luto na sila. Sorry guys, na-lowbat yung camera ko kanina. So, what happened is, basta nilagay lang natin yung chiffon mixture together with the flan mixture dito sa loob ng pan. And then, sa loob nitong rectangular pan na mas malaki, naglagay lang tayo ng boiling water. And then, nilagay natin yung tatlong pan. Kasya sila dito tatlo. Okay, so, and then, nilagay na natin sa oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so after that, ito, pinalamig ko na sila. Okay, so ito yung pandan, yung coffee, and then yung chocolate. Pwede natin sila tanggalin and iserve. Okay, so ito na yung tatlong flavor na nagawa natin. So, ito yung pandan, yung coffee, and then yung chocolate. Okay guys, ito na, titikman na natin. First time kong ginawa to. I don't really know what to expect. Tama-tama lang yung coffee niya. Ito. Chocolate. Okay. Lasang-lasa mo yung chocolate. Wait, isang tikim pa. Siguro dalagdagan ko to next time ng milk. More milk and a little bit more oil. Kasi medyo naging dense yung pinaka-chiffon cake natin. Okay? And then lastly, ito pandan flavor. So, 1/2 teaspoon lang yung nilagay natin na pandan flavoring. It won't hurt to add 1/2 teaspoon more. Okay? So, 1 teaspoon lahat. So, pero andun yung pandan flavor. So, it's good. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy baking!